How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, your favorite little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo. But you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a 2011 Pleasureway Excel TS with 86,664 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2011 Pleasureway Excel TS. About 73 inches of headroom in the main part of the coach. Fantastic fan. The center runs on the coach battery system. Acts as an attic fan at night. Brings the cool outside air in. Can also be an exhaust fan for your kitchen or bathroom area. This Excel floor plan is very popular here at Kuhn Truck and RV. Got our bathroom in here. Power sofa in the back. Good size of what you need in a camper van. A little bit of a step up and in. Some storage here in the door. Really to help you get up and in here. Some light switches. You can open this window. Does not have a screen. Pull this curtain all the way around the front for privacy or to block off this window. Spot here for your sunscreen, things like that, your sunglasses as you head out of the RV. Water heater on off. This burns propane. It ignites itself. Levels test. These are notoriously finicky, so do not consider these gospel. Water pump on off will pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank. Start stop for the Onan 2800 generator. This burns gasoline. You're just going to fill the fuel tank. It's going to stop running around a quarter tank. 101 hours. Fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan technicians. That's going to be a substitute for your shore power system. Microwave convection oven. That will run on the shore power plug-in or the generator. Wardrobe closet here where you can hang your goodies. These are two little armrests that you can put over here on the couch if you'd like so. This board will help make up the big bed in the back. Table and table leg. We have a table mount in the front here as well as in the rear. This is just a rug, so if you like the hard surface flooring, you can leave it that way. Got some rugs here that are not hiding blemishes underneath them. Just something that's there to help improve the experience in the camper van. It's the water pump down there. Isotherm 12 volt DC fridge freezer. AC power on the front of the cabinet. Little slide out here for some different goodies. Solid surface countertops. Single basin sink. 2-burner propane cooktop. Little counter extension here. There's an AC plug beneath that. Nice for your air fryer, coffee pot, things like that here. 2 drawers in the kitchen. Propane furnace. Coach battery disconnect. Storage overhead here in the kitchen. Got some nice mirrors on the outside of the bathroom. Not much of a step up and in here, so easy to get to the stool. Little shelf for your soaps and things like that along the bottom of the bathroom area. Nice mirror here with a medicine cabinet. AC power there for your curling iron, hair dryer, things like that. Solid surface counters in here. Screen window inside here for airflow. Nice storage beneath the sink area. It's going to drain there into the floor. You can pull the curtain around you on the track here to help contain the water while you are using the bathroom area. Moving to the rear of the coach. Storage overhead. CoolCat AC heat pump. The heat pump will stop working around 40 or 50 degrees outside temperature, so below that you will have to use the propane furnace. All of the HVAC is controlled through the thermostat here, so you're going to do the furnace and the air conditioner, heat pump, all that here. Turn the TV on and off, built-in DVD player. The button right here is for the power sofa here in the back. I'm going to show you that here in just a moment. DC power back here, little storage box for all of your remotes, and some other things you can tuck back here. Behind the TV, you can swivel that out to face the front. Both front seats swivel, so you can turn those around to face the rear. Watch TV from the back. Screen windows on both sides. You can access storage beneath the sofa here through this door. Got curtains throughout in the back for privacy. You do not have to take these with you if you don't like. You can sleep here in a twin style setup, or you can make up the big bed using these cushions. I'm going to drop some pictures now so you can see what this looks like made up and get some measurements. The twin beds measure approximately 72 inches north-south or front to back and 27 inches east-west or side to side, and just a little shorter at 70 inches north-south on the passenger side. Use the support board to make up the big bed that measures approximately 68 to 72 inches north-south and 80 inches east-west from wall to wall. The furnace, coach battery disconnect, electrical panel, noxious gas detector, and additional storage are located along the floor in the back. Why doesn't Fire get to enjoy a day off on the 4th of July? Because Fire works. Furnace duct back here, AC plugins, nice for your laptop, things like that. Again, we have table mount back here, electrical panel, noxious gas detector. This particular unit is here on consignment. We sold this one to the gentleman that owns it now. He is a fantastic person, very kind, and a great steward to this motorhome. He helped us out finishing some things up at Crystal Fountain Park back when we were opening that up in November 2023. It's awesome floor plan that is very popular here at Kuhn Truck and RV. Really clean inside and out. He changed this refrigerator out here to this isotherm 12-volt DC. But again, took great care of this thing. Check this out at truckandrv.com. I'm going to call this one a 9 out of 10. Truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt, cruise, CD, auxiliary input in here. So you can connect a headphone jack, plug your phone in there, listen to music or audiobooks, whatever you like for your journey. Really nice upholstery up here. Again, both of these swivel. There's another tabletop here behind this seat. Got some different spots to tuck your goodies and things while you are driving. Not seeing any signs of smoking, or burns, stains, tears, no funny smells. Cigarette lighters unused, so it's tough to say for certain. I'm going to call this a non-smoker. Another storage spot up top here as well as over there. Good spot for really anything, as storage is always at a premium here in camper vans. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2011 Pleasureway Excel TS. This camper van measures 20.5 feet bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. We have Michelin tires with 1621 date codes. This motorhome is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 5.4-liter V8 engine with 86,664 miles. Excellent looking specimen here inside and out. Lots of shine. Stripes are in excellent condition on the top and throughout. Easy to get up and into this camper van. Handle to help you do that on the inside. Got a porch light out here. Back of the refrigerator. Furnace exhaust. Coach battery with actual alloy rims. 2 AC plugins so you can plug things in beneath the awning. Storage bay. Air conditioner comes out the back. Storage you can access from inside the coach through that door or in the back here. Tow package, that's great for your bike rack. Take your e-bikes, your kayak, things like that along with you. Coming around to the driver's side. Again, we have a fantastic looking unit here with lots of shine. Fill the onboard fresh water tank. Back of the water heater. Storage bay. Sewer hose storage. Again, we got actual alloy rims, outside shower, wash the kids off, wash pets off, keep messes outside of the camper van. Sewer drain, everything's gonna come out here. You're gonna do the black first, then the gray. Cable TV, city water in. Propane tank is mounted to the unit, so you have to drive somewhere to have this filled. There's a gauge for that, valve to turn that on and off. 30 amp shore power connection. Generator here, Onan 2800, fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan techs. Exhaust for that. That will stop running around a quarter tank. So you just fill one tank here. For the fuel, makes that very easy. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers.